Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making stuffed breakfast biscuits in the air fryer. We're going to do everything in the air fryer except for the eggs. We're going to do them on the stove top. The air fryer that I will be using today is a Cookin 5.8 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Timer set for 10 minutes. About halfway in or so, I'm going to pull out the basket and give the basket a little shake to move around them sausages so they will cook evenly. Now I'm not going to need all of these sausage links for this recipe today. I have out here what I need. I'm just going to chop these up into bite-sized pieces. All right, we are ready to move on to the next step. Gotta have some cheese, right? So what I'm doing here, I'm just shredding up some sharp cheddar. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I'm also going to add a little bit of chopped green onion to this. So I'm just going to add this to our eggs. I have 4 eggs. I'm going to crack these up into my bowl. I'm going to give these a good whisk. All right. Since I do not have any milk, I'm going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. That was a good tablespoon. Now I'm going to add some salt. This is to your taste. And some black pepper. Grab the green onions I chopped earlier and just throw them in. Head on over to the stove and cook these scrambled eggs up. I just turned my flame up to medium. To cook our scrambled eggs in, I'm going to use ghee. You can use butter, oil, whatever you like. I got a good tablespoon and a half of ghee here. I love my ghee. As soon as the ghee melts, I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium low. I might have just a little bit too much of the ghee in here, but then again, can you have too much butter? Now we are ready to add our eggs. Getting just about there, and then I'm going to turn off the heat. All right, the eggs are where I want them. I'm going to turn off the heat, and then we're going to add the sausage that we made earlier. Mix that into our eggs. All right, we are ready to go on to the next step. We are almost there. I'm going to be using buttermilk graham biscuits today. You can use whatever kind of biscuit you like. Okay, I have my biscuits out of the can. I'm going to grab one of these and then I'm going to pull it apart from the middle. And it should come right apart. Just like that. You don't need to take it all the way off if you don't want to. It doesn't matter if you do. I'm going to lay it down here. I'll go with this side. I'm going to take our egg mixture, place them in the middle here. Get some of that sausage in there. I'm going to put a little bit of the shredded cheese that we did earlier right on the top. Grab our biscuit here, place it on the top, and we are going to pinch up these seams. Make sure they're sealed good. Got a sausage wanting to fall out here. Get in there, little fella. All right. I will finish the rest of these up and we will pop them into the air fryer. I was able to get 5 biscuits in here, and I think I forgot to put shredded cheese in one of these. Leave it to me. We are ready to pop these into the air fryer. I have the air fryer set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I set the timer for 12 minutes. The biscuits should be done in about 10 to 12 minutes. I will let you know exactly how long it took here in the Cookin air fryer. Also, there is no flipping involved, so here we go. The biscuits took 10 minutes in the Cookin air fryer at 350 degrees. I have some melted butter here that I'm going to brush over the tops of our biscuits. This is totally optional. I went ahead and cut this open so you can take a look. These would be so good served with some sausage gravy. Just dip it in there and chow down. Down in the comments below if you want to, tell me what is your favorite breakfast food. Mine is biscuits and gravy. Yum. Speaking of biscuits and gravy, I have a video right here to show you how to make that. The video below is whatever YouTube thinks you would like to watch next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.